Miltenyi Biotech provides you with best-in-class cell analysis solutions that serve to keep your finger on the pulse of advanced flow cytometry, at the heart of which are the MACS quant analyzers. Compact in size, yet powerful in performance, these best-in-class flow cytometers offer many outstanding features. The robust optical bench allows you to perform sophisticated multi-parameter cell analysis using 3 lasers and up to 10 optical channels. Generate accurate volumetric absolute cell counts you can trust. Enjoy the convenience of walk-away sample processing of up to 96 samples in a single run. Get deeper insight into your research with highly sensitive rare cell analysis. At just the click of a button, experience simple and seamless system startup, analysis, and shutdown for beginners and professionals alike. Rely on 24/7 live support from anywhere in the world. Our technicians interact with your MACS Quant instrument remotely to resolve issues in real time. Benefit from the bright and compelling portfolio of fluorochrome conjugated MACS antibodies, which are perfectly suited for the identification and enumeration of most cell types, including human, mouse, rat, and non-human primate cells. Flow cytometry solutions from Miltenyi Biotech lets you get the most out of your research, from immunology and hematology to cell biology and systems biology. In fact, thousands of distinguished scientists from eminent research centers, such as Caltech and the Pasteur Institute, rely on Miltenyi Biotech's flow cytometry solutions. To get more out of your experiments, discover MACS Quant instruments, reagents, and kits. To request a demo, visit macsquant.com. MACS Quant, at the heart of your experiments.